Hello everybody, I had to film this. I've recently started really liking you know those Australian TVSN kind of shows. There's a lady by the name of Amy Kahn Russell that does unique pieces. Amy Kahn Russell, like they're bit expensive, but they're very unique. The stones are real. I mean, it's not set in gold, but if it was, you'd be paying a lot more for it. It's set in sterling silver, and they're just really unique. Like, her pieces are really beautiful, and you'll see because there's an Australian lady that I bought from, and I've got it. Okay, I just want to have a look to see what you're looking at. I'll zoom in a bit. Okay. Alright. I just had to open it with you. Okay. Oh, this is so exciting. This is my first Amy Kahn Russell piece. Like, the original price of this would have been closer to 1,000, but I only paid 400 for it. And I paid for it. The thing with eBay is they have afterpay, which is good. So I only had to pay $100, and I'm going to pay the other $300 off over the next few months. And the next piece I want to get after this is a little bit more expensive, but it's a lot more beautiful. Oh, look at the presentation. Now this lady must be a crafter. Look at that. She's definitely a crafter. And she's also a really sweet lady. She has a farm up, I think, Bacchus Marshway in Victoria, and she rescues animals on her farm. She has everything from cows to cats, you name it, and she rescues them and looks after them. Really beautiful lady. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm so excited. Oh. Oh my gosh. She is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh, there's the tag. Amy Kahn Russell. This is hand painted, and this is called Flower Girl. I think there's some writing down there. Let me have a look with my very dirty magnifying glass. It says, I can't make out what it says. Huspa, Hucpa, Hakpa, and then Dora. I don't know. But my birthstone is amethyst, and this is hand painted on black onyx. So whoever done this is amazing. And look at the work on that. It's gorgeous. And these strands are beautiful. I forget the names of them, but that's amethyst, and the blue is something else. They're real little amethysts. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. So delicate. Mm. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh. My first Amy Kahn Russell piece, and this piece is called Flower Girl. There it is. Isn't she gorgeous? Wow. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Actually, I will take it down. Hold on. So I can see it better. You see that? It's gorgeous. See what that says? It says, I don't know what that says. But that just looks like gold inlay there. That, all that. It's all hand painted, isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. And you can see the little the fabric there, how it's been knotted on. And these stones are beautiful. Like all these, they're not plastic, they're actual real stones. And for $400, they'd want to be. I just hope my partner's not watching, because I told him this was $100. Because you know how guys are, if it's not real gold or whatever, platinum, it's like, why are you paying so much money for it? It's like, but they don't understand. It's, you know, like this has been hand painted on onyx, black onyx, and these are real crystals, and you're paying for the brand as well. Like she actually has museum pieces. Like some of her pieces are in museums. She's from America. She's on those day shows like TVSN and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll be coming back with a Savers haul. There's a little sneak peek of my Savers haul over there and over here. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.